Cool. We had Bird, and DeFi is never. It's always is what everyone loves, right? So
Yeah.
Copycat, one of the favorite projects that I have in the in the incubation family. So happy to host you here, and do share with us what is Copycat, why is it sexy?
Okay,
Here you
that's
go.
great. Okay. So let me share my screen. All right.
Yeah, can't wait to know more about copy trading.
Okay. So you see my slide?
Yeah, see it
Okay.
perfectly.
Okay.
Here you go.
Okay. Thank you. So thank you, Steve. So for Copycat Finance, so we are doing the decentralized copy trading and copy farming on BSC. Actually, we really believe that there must be a lot of hidden gem of crypto trader worldwide. Yeah, and we try to apply many things, and we try to research a lot on this. Yeah, before developing is kind of like, because even now in the market, there's not much copy trading fully on chain. Yeah, just like us. Yeah, and for Copycat itself, we try to connect between the professional trader and also the newbie. Yeah, the one who come into DeFi world and they get stuck. What is this and what is DEX? What is decentralized exchange? They are really familiar with the centralized exchange. That's normal, but once they get into DeFi world, it's quite really different. Yeah, so this is how we try to help them at the first stage. Yeah. So let's see what we gonna talk about. Like the topic that we're gonna cover for today. There are like four things: that our introduction about product, and we're gonna say about I'm gonna say about it Copycat V2, and we have some. If we have time, I can share some live demo of Copycat V2, yeah, version 2, and let's continue about our we just released our like 2020 22 roadmap, yeah, just yeah couple hour ago. And so let's start. Actually, basically, for the core concept of Copycat itself, we use the wisdom of the crowd idea as our core product. Yeah, actually, core concept of our product. And because we believe in diversity, and if the environment, that certain environment is really full of diversity and is also everyone is independent. Yeah, and this one is our important. Yeah, and all decision will be treated as like wisdom. Or if this crowd or this society, they got their own independence, they can think like a professional one, so it's equal. So there's many research and many things, and we believe in this idea, and we try to bring it to our production. And also the stock market or FX market or any security market that we bring through, yeah, they really work for the copy trading as well. And once we get DeFi, yeah, it's different, a lot different, and people, but it's not a lot different from traditional finance. But the thing is, it's the independence because it's everybody is separate, and we are almost like we just know the address of the wallet, and we don't know who they are. Yeah, and it's fully like full system of anonymous. So it's matched with this concept. So I think it's gonna be like a lot more interesting for the concept of this wisdom of the cloud to be applied for. Yeah, for the copycat itself, for the emerging of the copycat, actually, because we want to solve some certain problems. Yeah, just like it's hard to start. Yeah, for trading in the DeFi world, it's different because there'll be like only swap, right? Because besides DeFi is born from AMM system, and so it's still the UX and UI still they are really different from CFI. Uh, if you're really familiar with CFI, once you get into DeFi, you'll be really confused and how to start, how to trading, and what is LP, what are those. There many, there's many how. Yeah, on yeah, even start with just only your own wallet. Yeah, so there are many questions. Yeah, so I think the hardest part to start trading on the crypto for the crypto on DeFi is quite is depend on how you start. So we believe that if we have we provide some guidance or master or professional that they have been in this market for like more than you, at least like for a couple of months or couple of years, so it would be nice that you can share something, share some technique or share some trading tools to it's going to be matched all together and then you'll be better in really quickly. Yeah, and rather than just only like how to start and many how to do it for our community driven, rather than this you're going to concern about the profit, right, and security. DeFi is different from C, really totally different from CFI because your the most concerned thing is about security rather than this, because once there's will be some people that are the hacker all the way around here, and once you miss only one time everything will be gone in a minute or less than that. Yeah, so that's why that we concern a lot about these things. Even like our platform is kind of designed for like the funding and is taking a lot of more serious for this thing. And yeah, for now, we are now decentralized social trading, but and it's fully on chain, and it's quite like interesting for us for a couple of months that we have developed this thing out there. And recently, I mean, for a couple of months that we launched, there's a few problems occur on the ways, and we try to improve it a lot. So it's now we just launched Copycat version 2. The and we've been through like more than 3 blockchain audit firms. They are really like top tier or someone that in our industry, DeFi industry, call it that's gold standard, just like Certic or Breakshield, that we fought a lot with them. Yeah, for many things, even like business model or even like the for security, the part, every single part that need to be checked and really back and forth. It takes a lot of time for the security things and to get the standard for the code. Yeah, for our platform. So it's that's why we are a little delay in some part, but they said that you delay a little bit for a couple of days or just 1 week, and to protect your community is the most important. Yeah, that's what after I heard this kind of phase from a security audit firm, so I changed my mind to delay something. Yeah, because yeah, it's more safe for our communities. And for the copycat V2 change law itself, there are like most the main important thing is going to be 3 parts. Yeah, for the copy trading has been upgraded to version 2. We have improved some the price impact that they may face because copy trading is dealing with many token issue, and you might because the volume in the decentralized world is still limited in some small token or medium-sized token, but big cap token is fine. We try to focus on big cap token, but some I mean some trader they like or they love to trade on medium side because it can get like easily 10x or 100x easily. That's why they love it, and we got a lot of feedback from community, so we try to improve and then try to upgrade to support them in this way as well. And we also have a new share token and internal routing decks decentralization in within our copycat platform. And also we also have our own adding liquidity, but it's going to be routing to now it support up to like ape swap and pancake swap, so it's easily that you can add if you are master trader or master farmer. It's easy just using our platform, just like the UX and UI are going to be the same as you familiar with. And for copy farming, this one is quite very interesting because uh, this one is, I can say that is our innovative product the most right now, because you can select to copy or those master that they are farming. For example, I'm good at farmer. I'm good at farming in, like, I know this token is kind of like quite strong and good return. I just put it in the way I want, and all the total profit are different. But for master farmers, they may know, because if they are in this market for like more than you, for a couple of months or a couple of years, they they knows a lot. It depends on the experience or someone that can share, and then they can earn more reward. Yeah, you just select to copy them, as easy as that, and you're gonna get the same. Yeah, just put LP. And one more interesting is gonna be that those master out in within copycat platform, they can do both things, like copy trading and the taking cap token, and also farming at the same time. It's quite nice. Yeah, and you can manage a token swap and also LP token to farm over there. And we our platform is quite, like, we can give some more reward as well as you take, I mean, you holding a share token. And the newest feature that we just released, but it's not that public yet, for is so-called copy gaming. Yeah, this one is support for the pro gamers, that they can create the pool within Copycat platform, and then they can attract the investor to app in, and then once they got a profit, because they're pro gamers, they're good at play games, then investor, that you as an investor, maybe you don't know how to play this game, because sometimes it's quite hard, like MOBA or the game that's for professional gamers only. Yeah, and you just put money in to support them, just like scholarship. And then if the pro gamers, they play well and they earn reward, they're gonna share back to the pool automatically. So it's easy as that. And we're gonna have the NFT project as well, that a little bit like still confidential right now, but we will have for the, it's because we're gonna launch the copy gaming, right? And we're gonna need a pilot project to support this feature to showcase. So it's gonna be our like first partner GameFi to work together with copy gaming and the NFT project all together. So this is gonna launch soon. Please stay. And for the demo, I think the time is not pretty much left. So I can share something that I can show some case that, for example, for the copy trading. Okay. Yeah, as a master, you can just, for example, this is my master, and then yeah, there will be two routers. Right now, you can trade at Pancake Swap or Ape Swap. It depends on the volume or token that you would like to go to. Yeah, there are many, and we also support. You can add it like contract token here as you wish. And for the liquidity part, yeah, this is for the copy farming, that you can add liquidity. Yeah, just add all those two tokens all together and select the routers that you want to put the liquidity Ape swap or pancake swap at first. In the future, we're gonna add more. Yeah. And for the farm, I want to show this thing. It's quite interesting as well. Here, for this farm, the interface looks like very like familiar, right? The same, but it's not actually the same, because lots of like technical stuff inside, and it took more than 2 or 3 months to develop this. We put the routers to pancake swap or app swap. Yeah, so this thing you see is going to be our interface, right? But as a master farmer, you can select to farm. This is porting from pancake swap, all things, and you can earn reward, collect reward with. We also have the auto compile as well, so it's gonna help a lot, yeah, for the master. And they can as a master you can charge whatever you want. I mean, the fee, token fee for the followers, and also the performance fee, that once you get a reward you can share some reward from the user as well. Yeah. And for the copy list, it's gonna still be the same. Yeah, you can just select to copy and see the performance, and select to. This is the most important thing as well, that you need to check whether this master, uh, what kind of trading strategy that they are doing for, or what token that they are holding for how long. Yeah, and you can see that they are like performance trading or lifetime or last 7 days before you like, make a decision to copy them. Yeah. Okay. So rather than that, just be basic like apply for master. This one you may familiar with. So okay, let's get back to for our roadmap. Yeah, for this year, we just released our roadmap today, and for Q1, there are like the there are many interesting part for the upgrade to version 2 of Copycat, and we're gonna have the Copycat Labs project as well as mentioned that is related to NFT things, and we may have more partner for the centralized chain or decentralized chain to be listed. And we're gonna have the copycat community quest that is kind of like combination between the traders and master trader, or the user that want to be doing like contribution. We want to make copycat to be more DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, yeah, for our communities. So there will be more partner, and will be quest project with interesting that's coming soon. Yeah, for the next Q2, there will be a lot of new engagement, just like we're gonna release the copy VC. Which this one is really interesting. I can say something that this year we'll take care of all the copy stuff. Yeah, we try to copy everything and make our the core product as a copy trading, copy pool, copy farming to be expand the most. Yeah, like copy. We see that if, for example, we will take like partner with many VC as we wish. Yeah, and this pool gonna be like you can copy the strategy of those VC, something like that. And VC are great. Yeah, they're made a lot of profit more than you. Yeah, that's kind of like beyond master or something like that. It's kind of inside trading. Yeah, you can copy some strategy and learning from VC as well. Yeah, and we're gonna create a developer communities and release some global trading. Like we're gonna start with like normal strategy like rebalancing or martingale for helping those crypto trader to support things. Yeah, and also we're gonna go more in the gaming industry because we have copy gamings, and we're gonna bring more gaming, like more games, lots of game partner in more to come. Yeah, to be our partner, and we can expand more about our features. Yeah, and we may have some like workshop that conversion because we already developed the core engine about the this option wallet actually that can convert from traditional game to GameFi. Yeah, we can share this, I mean, technology to those like classic game that they want to convert into GameFi. We can support them, and we also have built-in scholarship to support as well. So it's kind of like full support on the from traditional game to GameFi with just only our copycat platform. And for Q3, yeah, it's gonna be like I think it's gonna be like traditional game to GameFi section, yeah, all this year. And for Q3, we will also release the master token for the copy gaming, copy trading. They can create their own like token, yeah, and we're gonna have like trade to earn or more copy gaming engine expansion a lot, yeah, and also if we have a chance, we may hold some like hackathon, yeah, for traditional game to convert to GameFi. And for Q4, we have I think if we have time, I mean That's like maybe like 6 months, yeah, or more than that. We will like put our team onto the research for the Web3 to be ready, and maybe partner with some bird. Yeah, they may have more experience than us for the Web3, and we can create some project that related to Web3 to upgrade our copycat to be ready. And for we may have the meta engine, because if we have all the copy stuff, all the trader, that is basically for the fundamental of all crypto trading, and we are ready for the metaverse. Yeah, that's our Q4. And that is for our presentation, Steve.
Yep. Thank you, Nicholas, for a presentation. We're running a bit out of the time,
Right.
but I think Nicholas gave us a very wholesome presentation of the whole project,
Yeah.
including some of the key products they're building and their key roadmaps in the whole 2022, the 4Qs. So very happy to see. Actually, a lot of the schemes that you designed, including NFT copy trading and games copy playing, are extremely fun, and I
Yeah.
personally would love to try them out.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. So thank you for joining us today, Nicholas. I also like advise you to try out Copycat's products and join the community. I saw that you're launching your token on Q3. Is that so? A new master token?
Yes, it's gonna be that. I mean, for example, you're a master trader. We can help you to create
Launch your own
them,
master token.
your own token. Yeah.
Got
Not our.
it. Got it. I think Copycat is already live.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah. Thank you for joining us today, Nicholas.